Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy cord. So let's get started. To crochet this easy cord, start with a slip knot, chain 1. Now there's the stitch below. Just roll it slightly and insert the hook in this loop. See, there's the stitch. Roll it and insert in that loop, and then pull the yarn through both stitches. For all the remaining stitches, insert into the loop below, pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops on the hook. Insert into the loop below, pull through both loops. Insert, pull through both loops. Insert through both loops, and you'll just continue to do that for as long as you need for your cord. And that's how easy it is to crochet this very easy cord.